Welcome to our guide on organizing a drone racing league or event. Whether you're a beginner or an enthusiast, we've got you covered with essential resources. First, let's dive into some must-read books. Drone Racing: A Guide to the Sport, the Technology, and the Pilots by Adam Freeman offers an in-depth look at the world of drone racing. For those looking to start their own league, the Drone Racing League: A Guide to Getting Started by David Roberts as a comprehensive resource on equipment, rules, and safety. Podcasts are another great way to stay updated. The Drone Racing League podcast features interviews with top pilots and industry experts, keeping you in the loop. If you're into FPV flying, the FPV show covers everything from drone racing to freestyle, featuring insights from top pilots and industry experts. YouTube channels like Drone Racing League and FPV Drone Racing offer highlights, tutorials, and interviews, providing a visual feast for drone racing enthusiasts. AI tools like Drone Racing AI and FPV AI can help you analyze your flight data and provide personalized feedback to improve your skills. Finally, consider enrolling in courses like Drone Racing League Academy or Drone Racing 101 to hone your skills and compete at a professional level. Happy racing!